said that as if he's like in a grotty freaking.
That was fucking bestial.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I had to let that one out.
But he's okay. How do?
Oh, I'm fucking retarded. I thought that was my teammate. Why not?
Yeah.
That was great. Flip that. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know.
That was for you.
Yeah.
This round.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What man? What man? What man?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. What a bitch. Yeah, we did, bitch. Send this to pussy. Good job.
See that vandal?
Pussy.
Till she gets the fuck down. Oh no, you are talking in chat. Oh, put her in a square.
Sigma
On the wall.
rotating.
That was some.
Oh, I didn't even say that.
Bro, come on! I'm the only one that is new.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hello, Tim. Easy for ends.
Nick.
Jake, that was fabulous. Spectacular.
Maybe dust too. Yeah.
Yeah. Rawr.
Listen to me. Stop and cut my cook.
Shut up. Good job.
Good job, bro.
Nah.
We sound so weird to everybody else.
I'm doing the Great Depression.
And by the way, I'm smoking connector nipples, not from the window. Jake, it's
You guys.
we can actually put this on.
This man down under in the Mexico is a way stronger pendejo than I thought.
Why any time though? What is
He fucking.
the crouch was so that you would
I want to take a pic.
With Cardi B. Yeah. Yup.
Back the throat.
Why they try harding so bad?
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yo.
Oh, yo!
Where's Got that damage.
Wow.
Damn.
No, yes not. I don't know.
Damn, I don't
Hello, team.
Shut the fuck up! Fucking idiot! Fucking idiot, man! Shut the
I like my yellow.
Monkey.
Right, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be joining the other fucking call in.
It's way too sweet.
Horny.
We're only about 20 minutes or so.
Why you depending
Yeah,
on
we did, bitch. Wanga. Bruh.
That's EMF, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, that's spirit. Hello, guys. Can you hear that music? It's like oh my god, that was insane. Oh.
How was that?
Bro, did it?
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, my burps are gonna be fucking different, man.
Oh my god.
New mic, innit?
That was so like piercingly loud.
Oh my god!
No, mate, the all pause.
Alright.
In my like practice. Now we have to wait again. The other one's very.
Let's.
Okay. Why'd you keep burping? Bro,
That was delicious.
you ready? That sounds painful.
See? How about you get on your knees and blow?
Yeah.
This,
Baby. Yeah, baby.
Somebody.
oh, that was so bubbly and green, bro.
I'm away from the dongle, you numbers.
Hello, team.
Fucking hell, bro.
Bro just hit me with the bar cover.
Fuck off.
You guys have microphone?
Oh, god.
That's what we gotta do.
Back in Vietnam. Did it good forever.
Fucking hell, it's stuck!
Depression. Yarp. Bomba glad. Bomba glad. I'm doing your mum. Yo, you bitch.
I thought
Clutch. Now.
Alright, Jake, you've always got to one-up me, ain't you, you little fuck?
Daddy!
Bro, that was fucking amazing!
Thank you!
Yeah, we did it, bitch.
Yo, shut up. Bunch of fucking retards! Who the fuck threw that smoke anyway? Blend.
Bitch, boy.
Fucking!
it's okay. What did you say?
Bomba glad.
What are you doing now?
Your mum. Bam. Yeah, bitch.
Oh,
Stevie fucking Wonder, put on your glasses and aim!
you fucking Auschwitz bastard.
Yeah, buddy, блядь. That guy sucked it.
Oh, there we go. It's finally got relief.
Right there.
I can't let down the
Oh shit.
I don't know what you're surprising us with.
It's really hard to use.
Remember.
Ugh.
I'm done.
I can't put down the gum.
No, no way.
Oh my god. Oh no, it's stuck.
He's gag a little bit. Gobbling and tick, that's what that sounded like.
Does it really?
Crying.
Hold on, I think you should click.
Yes.
I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
You are Down syndrome. Yo! That was fucking disgusting!
Maybe you should burp to show him his balls.
Let us understand, my friend.
Yeah, we did, bitch. Suck on it. Oh my god.
2025.
Bye-bye.
That's such a waste of time. That's what I have.
I have Venus.
Actually, better.
Use a body like Hulk's even more.
But you're gonna be.
Bro, I've just done.
How about...
Oh, can you... That had so much bass and beef to it that I'm actually surprised you didn't come up.
Some game of like fucking.
Oh my god.
Right.
I wanna
Well, we can play whatever then. Go on, just.
Shut up. Oh my god. I was laughing because you're.
Yo, shut up, bitch.
Oh my god, this game is so far.
Yo.
Bro, I'm like, you guys are.
Go on, mate.
Yes, everybody but me.
Dude, you are shit.
Mood all changed. I've got a.
Spike run.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Hey, down, bro, back.
Pussy gas. Oh my god.
Is it the...
Oh my god.
I ranked up, guys! Yippee!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Eat my ass.
Whoa.
Out of time.
That's the noise I will play if we win.
That's so soft. I just fat blunt and I'm gonna put it in.
Alright, where are we going?
Little bitch. Yeah, bubble tea rocks.
I mean,
A bull sack.
it was way longer than 5.
Yeah, you do, bitch. My magla.
It's not fucking... What's your Why am I so shit?
Yo.
My dick's on and it's me. Ew.
I'm physically burnt out. The body's like, you need a rest, bro. So. Oh. Right, yeah, I'm gonna get myself a glass.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's very, very jacked.
Has anyone even...
Well, you know what it feels like. It's 50. Pussy. Gack. It'll be fine.
Mute this for a second.
Boomba glove. Boomba.
Suck it.
Bruh.
It's okay.
You slut. Boomba glove.
Me off how...
Yeah, baby. Oh, bitch. I don't know. Yo, with your bitch. Yo, with your bitch. Shut up.
Almost poo. That was a winning puss.
5 times I should have...
For real.
Boomba glot. Boomba. Oh yeah. Boomba glot. Boomba glot. Boomba. Boomba. Suck. Boomba glot.
Is the way I be.
Boomba glot. Chicken burger. Yeah, bitch. Boomba glot.
Out, mate.
Eat my cock. Let me for pussy. Big bone back it out, baby pussy now. And
How the fuck can you say so much?
pussy. Pussy done red.
Oh, how have I figured that out? Yo. Let's add a little bit of spice.
Good job, ladies and gentlemen.
Attackers win.
You inhaled and burped as you inhaled.
What, like?
I'm in there.
Enemy B. Spike down. Last player standing.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo. Okay, bitch.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Hello, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Let's go. Bombagala. Bombagala.
Okay.
My god.
Hello, team.
Hello, team.
Why?
Oh my god.
Free up that time and place where I can put this space with some bases. Jerk, Jake.
You're a wizard, Harry.
It's
I'm a what?
What is that?
I'm asking you to do
Suck
something. To get
it.
what the fuck?
Shut up, bitch.
Jake,
I don't want to.
Yeah.
Suck my ass.
Oh, I wish I would waited before I clipped that. Such
I was never invited.
Jesus!
Oh
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
my god.
For some reason.
Bomba.
Yo, he said I was
That gooning coon.
Bomba.
Wow.
Bomba.
And if there's nothing after 10 seconds, I'm gonna watch Con.
You guys just hear that, look.
Time for a little live one.
Do you know what's crazy? Connor's got a fucking 84% and there's 6 different matches. On the rank percent.
Oh my god!
I've been like 20 fucking times. in the span of
Connor, didn't you clip like 14 times in the span of an hour?
I am in.
The Premier win so far.
You're saying.
Shut up. Should we get a new car?
Nice cock.
For me, you literally did that to music style.
There's games that went fucking hard as hell. I played one game.
Literally bang. Literally bang.
Oh, and it was a controlled tap.
What
the fuck was that? It sounds like a little.
She said. What
the fuck?
Stretch.
Yogurt. Bomba. Jack. Bomba. Right now. Oh dear. This bitch dead.
Oh my god.
Have a little live one.
Xing Xiao Benten.
Let's go.
Can't, because when I push my button, my key binds doesn't let me to push the hole for some reason.
Don't even have to.
Yo.
Should go in.
I love the bait. You can hide in the
Eat
shell.
my pussy.
Bye. Damage 3 people.
Oh my god.
Eat my ass. Oh yeah.
If it's happening.
Oh my god.
Come on, you cunts! It's time for some Apex acid!
One. Sometimes it's just easier to do it.
20 bomb.
I mean, that,
Smooth man. Hey cock.
You sure it's a hit?
Little boomer.
That's the charger.
Boomer club. Kiss his son.
Need some water in you, mate.
Boomer. Boomer club.
They're pushing B. My weed.
And again.
Oh.
Oh boy, the dust. Monkey.
Yo, bro.
Boomer.
I don't want to sketch.
Hi, Elliot. I've been. Boomer club.
The German national anthem.
We say boomer. Bye bye. He was jungle. Oh dear. Boomer.
Oh my god.
Hello, bro.
Do you not make him have a microphone?
Yo.
He always does.
Tell those guys with that. Little Boomba. Boomba. Boomba.
What the fuck?
That, like, this,
Yeah, they look epic.
I don't know.
it's really fucking bad.
That was stuck.
Final bomber clock.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. You get the nice little tag.
Saying was lucky.
No, you'll be sucking on Satan. Even,
Make
I'm more
daddy
worried about
happy.
his stomach.
Clucky. Easy in here.
That was so soft.
Like this, bitch. Really, bitch.
No, we need to... Okay.
Oh my god, that was
There
all stuck.
we go.
That
That's
was
what we
literally
want,
all
there we go.
stuck in my gut.
That sounded like the last breath.
It's like that.
I think I have permission for it.
I'm gonna do it, bitches. Boomba.
Am I the
Oh
lead?
yeah. Boomba. Dream my dick. Boomba.
See you,
See you later, Boomba. Boomba.
Right, let's all go be at the start.
Boomba.
Okay.
Oh dearie me.
Smart.
What is this?
Jake, can you fucking stop it?
Yeah, show me that shit, bitch.
Jake.
Suck my dick. Boo boo willy bum bottom. Bollocks!
That makes me so happy.
Oh my god, the Guinness!
Oh my god! Monkey gaming! Oh my god! Get that shit, bitch!
What the fuck? People have
Wait.
Oh my god!
Monkey! Boomba
Yeah, we can.
Run a train on your mom's pussy!
Look, I can only master so much before my twinkler gets stinkler.
Sorry, what's going on? Check if he doesn't have to.
It wasn't me, bitch.
Jesus.
Roar!
I bet my lip.
Oh yeah, bitch. ABCD.
Guys, we're
Put
gonna
my
win.
mouse in your bum.
We're gonna win this.
That is amazing, bro. I'm so happy for you.
Boomba.
We double teamed that bitch.
Yeah!
Fucking Christ.
Shut up, bitch.
You guys gonna play Val?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll hop on.
Oh, guys, wait. You need to see the clips. You need to see the clips.
Bumbizzle.
No, because I've got to open up the experience and figure out which clip it is. I've got to then
Time for a present, bitch. Bitch. Oh my god.
So fast of a reaction. And wait, you said bullets. Oh, very good, very nice. And this is where Jake throws up.
Thanks.
Well, I'm
Josh, can you smoke Molly?
My teammate mocked me. I wanna watch. Monkey gaming. Come on.
F1 is big.
Oh yeah.
And it's mini. You know.
Monkey gaming.
What the fuck?
I can't.
Fuck out!
You're not okay.
What, that's for stop block?
At least someone play a duo with me.
Me.
Oh my god.
There you go.
I think it's
Remove the meat.
sounds like a brute in here, not a nice one.
Nice one. Oh my god.
B.
Bitch over here.
Oh. Jackie, come on, give me a gold and I will literally come in a cup. Oh.
You didn't trust me.
Oh my god.
Lick of the bee.
Where's my fucking...
It's been through the wall. Bro, honestly, that... Incoming.
Eat my ass.
Someone's like, hey, that's, I want to get
No bitch.
doing it!
It's funny.
My god.
Comes outside your window.
Actually involved me.
You're making the zombies, they all here now. Shut the fuck up.
How do you do it, man?
I'm in,
You gotta tell us you're in, are you really in?
Are you in? Are you in?
Shout.
What the fuck?
Oh my god!
You inhale, can you?
Yeah, baby. Bungy, shut the fuck up. You are WXYZ.
Oh my god! Oh, he's doing it! He's doing it! Oh my god!
Bungy David.
Did you see what I said?
Bumbagla.
I felt like if I...
Fuck's sake. Blood.
Hit one of them for face.
That is
Yo,
a
that was a slap.
Funky gaming.
Oh.
I wanna suck some dick.
Oh.
Bro, you need to go into like game sound design for like horror stuff. Like, how are you still going, bro?
Yeah, but
Oh my god, how was that more?
How was that?
That's how we have it.
Super
Super Mario in real life. Funky bollocks. Judgy Wodgy. Bumbagla.
Well, get on Valorant anyway, we can play one before.
Gaming.
Oh my.
oh my god, why is that?
Mama Grizzle, whoa. Mama Grizzle.
That's a.
No. When you say score, S-A-W. Oh my god.
He's trying to go for a
Dog.
There you go.
Oh yes.
Oh, that was guttural.
Bloody bastard. Oh my god. Yo.
Come on, no.
Story as well.
Cocked a lot by accident. What the fuck?
I thought I was following this whole time.
I'm gonna go get yoga. Rain.
Flick this in your arsehole!
Flick the bean.
Just a...
Oh, babe. Oh, yeah. I'll be gooning with your mother.
Can
Lucky.
Can we get 3 on P, please? Please. Josh, just hold on.
Mama Glizzle.
Where's my lobby?
Bitch.
For you. Does this make you look a little bit depressed? Hey.
Oh, Neil. Oh, Neil.
Knock out now.
Oh, Neil, you don't care. Oh, dearie. Oh my god! Lucky Jamie. Never!
In your arsehole, you're just gonna fuck up. Yeah, go on, clip it. Clip my tits.
Yeah.
Why does it sound like that? Shut your batty, you fat.
No, it just doesn't work like that.
Oh, Neil. In my pussy, Ralph. The Muff Master. Buff.
That was delicious. But right now, in the next few seconds, a Sprite.
Watch it, your buff.
What am I saying?
Parkinson's.
Background holding.
Hello?
You mean the hard
Mr. Bean, baby. Bro wants to eat my ass. Patty boom boom. But I don't.
Dreams and nightmares, bull.
Happy Papa.
I got a
We're both drinking some mangoes right now.
I'll stream.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Carl.
Figure.
Hold it there, just like a shower. On my balls.
I haven't.
Bollocks.
There's definitely still more. Oh my god! Oh, that drink is so.
Let's see if you are right up. Real. Oh.
Ooh.
Bollocks.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Oh yeah.
No reaction? Fuck's sake, guys.
My ass. Yarp.
That's the.
I'll give you the cum. Cock round. The city, eat my muff. Quick timeout.
Yes, bro. Let's take. Do a clip. Clip it right now. I should have killed you.
What is wanker? Oh yeah, baby.
No, 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 no!
Do that. Guys, drop me outside smokes and then we go inside to A.
Monkey gaming.
Thank you.
Fuck up, please.
Yeah, baby.
Was that check?
Bollocks.
Oh. Let's win, guys. Nine.